In today's video, I'll show you how to get ultimate credits in Forza Horizon 4. Check my video description for this mod download link. Enter latest, select the exe file and download. Once download done, double click on the exe and select yes option. Start the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Go to Auto Show and Garage. Avoid turning on these options. I have tried and the game started crashing. So go to self and vehicle, expand this unlocks. In credits, you can type how much credits you would like to have. Once you type the credits you want, just turn it on and then minimize this, change car, pick any car and get in car, deliver this car. Once you deliver your car, press the escape key and as you can see the credit sheets is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.